Panels. First, I want to clarify that this motion debate whether or why feminist movement will be encourage women to be selfish, which means first, not other party will encourage just feminists. Second, we're debating on the encouraging here, why should or shouldn't we encourage it. Alright, so we win by proving that first, why feminist movement encouraging women to be selfish is justified, and second, why feminist movement encouraging women to be selfish bring betterment. Alright, for my setup, first, we need to understand what a feminist movement is. It is basically a movement that have a goal to achieve justice, equity, where women has the same right as men, same privilege, basically the same. And women should not be taken seeing as less. And what scenario would women be selfish? Women would be selfish when they know their worth and they know that the society around them, the people around them does not meet their worth. So they would be selfish and they would think themselves because if I was selfish, I would think like, why would I think about other people when the only one that matters is myself, mine. And why feminists would encourage women to be selfish, that will be answered in the argument. Alright, so first, for my argument, I have two arguments. First, for the first argument, I would say that women are oppressed. From the beginning of time, women is given less wage, less right, less privilege, etc. And then, for my reasoning, simply, women need to stand up for themselves. By being less selfish, they know their worth. They will be less likely to be manipulated by people around them. Society is forcing women to submit to men, and women are often forced to accept it. Their subconscious would later accept it because it's society around them. And they will think that it's default behavior for a woman to become less privileged. Like they will think it would be normal for them to, I'm less. Man is better. I'm just nothing without man. Because society are forcing that idea to them. Where is it? Meanwhile, if women become selfish, they know their worth again, and by knowing their worth, they know their worth and they will be less manipulated and they would not want to be seen as a lesser person. And that's why women will be able to stand up for themselves. And then for the second reasoning is that woman is a human being and it is a human nature to care for themselves. By being selfish is one way of it. By bringing justice and equity on what women and men can do, they can be selfish too, right? As like men can be selfish, like men are not the only one who can go around while not caring about the others. Women do. And basically, feminist movement wants women to be able to know their worth and stand up for themselves. And that's why feminist movement encouraging women to be selfish is justified. And then for my second argument, which bring betterment, is simply like this. By women being selfish, men's place, like their throne, are being attacked because women who supposed to be submitting to them, who supposed to be suppressed by them, suddenly don't. Okay, so for my reasoning is that this women being selfish will result in more discourse or conflict and argument. Alright, so by creating conflict, there's more people that address or acknowledge the problem, and problem can be solved faster since there are more people who care about the situation. But then, maybe someone will say, but making a bigger conflict can be good, right? Well, sometimes a conflict, or I could say that as war, is the most effective way to end a conflict because it is the most efficient way, the most best way to find which side is the best, like which side gonna be the winner and gonna be the loser. It's clear. It's clear if there is a war like that. Panels, realize what we're doing now. We're basically debating where as far as I know, as far as what I teach, debating purpose is not to find the best solution in a case, but how can our way be the best solution in the case. Well, same as feminist interests. By encouraging women to be selfish, feminists want those. Yeah, we want more conflict, so that there would be more people fighting about it, and there would be a clear winner. Like, you want those men who couldn't care less about women to actually care for once. How long do you want the process to be? How long more do you want for women to be oppressed, given less right, if not none, just because you're scared to get conflict, just because you're scared that oh no, conflict will more conflict, which means more people will be disagreeing with each other. Well, without this conflict, more people will be oppressed. Yeah. Trust me, as long as I live, people will always try to make themselves right. Whether it's feminist or maybe other group, who cares? And this kind of conflict clearly fulfill their ambition, which they want to make themselves the winner. They want the solution to be clear, and the result is absolute. Yeah. They want to strive for justice, for equity, and for peace. That's from me, and that's why the government will win. Thank you.